Next topic we will discuss on database languages. Basically there are three different languages are there in database language, but the DML and the DCL are the two main important topics are there. In one author they are divided into 4 types, and basically they are divided into 3 types, but these two are very much important languages in DBMS. Let's start. Basically let's start one by one. The first one is DML. DML means what? That is a data manipulation language. DML is used for accessing and manipulating data in a database. Basically DML is divided into two parts. One is procedural DML and the other one is the non-procedural DML. Okay, procedural DML. The example that is PLSQL. In procedural DML, it shows how data is fetched, whereas in non-procedural DML, we only tell to database system what data is fetched. And in non-procedural DML also divided into two types. One is formal query language. The first one is of a formal query language, and the example is of formal query language is relational algebra and the relational calculus. Whereas non-formal or commercial query language example are SQL. Some of the example of DML are insert, update and delete. Next we will study about DDL. DDL stands for data definition language. It defines the data itself, and now that here we can define data. So in DDL there are 3 types of commands. One is create command, alter command and drop command.